Today I'm going to teach you about SSAT math section, and today we're going to learn about exponent and square roots. Exponent is just another way of saying multiplication, multiply. But exponent will reduce the amount of letter you write. For example, you want to write 3 times 3, or like that is a little bit long. And if you have a lot number like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, there's a lot of numbers for you to write. But in exponent, these just equal to 1. First, you write letter 3, calculate how many 3 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 to the 5. 3 to the 5 means 3 times 3, 5 times. This, I think, is equal to 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is 241. So 241, okay. So 3 to the 5 also equal to 241. But just another way of saying multiplication. Exponent is simpler. But remember, exponents mean, for example, 3 to 2 do not mean 3 times 2, but that means 3 times 3. This also do not mean 3 times 5. This means 3 times 3, 5 times. Pretty easy. But you must familiar about how to write the exponent, because in middle level and upper level SSAT we do not use the multiplication symbols very often. Let's do an example. 3 to 2 times 3 to 3. First, 3 to 2 is equal to 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. This is equal to 9. 9 times 3 to 3, so 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 27. 9 times 27. Oh my god, I love numbers. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 6. Plus 6, 18 plus 6 is 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 minus 4 is 27. 26, 25, 24. That is 24. So the answer is 243. And you also do not use the divide symbols very often. Instead that we use square roots. Like square root 9. This is the symbol of square root. This is the symbol of square root. The square root of 9 is equal to 3. Just means, square root of 9 is equal to 3. As simpler as that. And then we also have square root of 25 is 5. Just another way of writing the exponent. Just write the square root exactly like that. Like square root of 4 is pretty hard to write the square root, actually. It's 2. So that's all for today's lesson. We learned about exponent and square roots instead of multiplication and division. Dividing, actually. So if you like this video, please give like, share, and subscribe.